Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. Yeah, this is just a quick middle of the day update because ETH hasn't really done much. Yeah, ETH is still holding just below resistance, which is $1,700. It's also not pulled back enough to say that this kind of move up here is finished in any way. So I am still observing the 1630 level as key level for that allows ETH to push higher basically. So against the 50% FIB level, it can move higher. If it breaks below that, I'm not saying it will completely crash down, but it would be a first indication that at least this more direct move to the upside is not playing out. And that something different might play out. For example, the yellow wave count. Yeah, we haven't broken above 1700. So the yellow wave count is technically still very much in play. Or a triangle might play out, which is basically the yellow wave count. It just would be a delay in the sell-off. Yeah, this B wave, which we currently see just as a three-wave move, would then unfold as a triangle, and just the sell-off would just be a bit delayed, but it would not overall change the scenario as such, right? So the scenario will really only change if we get a sustained break above $1,700. Then we are observing if we get 5 waves up. If we get 5 waves up, it will depend on what will happen in the support area. So after 5 waves up, we can work with these and we'll define a support area with a 78.6 retracement level. And if that level gets broken, then we have clarity that this is a high B wave and we come down to completely, I don't want to say new lows, but we should then go below the 11th of September low and head into the region between 12 to 1300. However, what we will do, we will add that support area. And if we see an impulsive reaction out of the support area, then this would be a decent trade setup that could send us into the $3,000 region. So in the very short term, $1,700 is the key pivot point. A break above that will likely send us to the so-called B wave high here at 1746. And the break above that will likely lead to 5 waves. Only if we get the 5 waves, it will really become interesting, because then we are one step closer to new all-time highs. We would then need to wait for a 3-wave pullback, and then we get some clarity about, okay, can we actually move much higher? Can we get to $3,000, $4,000 next? Or do we go lower? Okay, so the bottom line is, first of all, in the short term, just watching for that $1,700 level. Until that breaks, the yellow wave count is still in control, even though obviously with price pushing against the ceiling, it's getting a little less likely, the yellow wave count. Above 1700, we will start to emphasize the white wave count much more. We even have a nice short-term trade setup for the white wave count on the Bitcoin chart, not so much here on the ETH chart, because I don't have that same structure. But yeah, not much more to add, I think. Maybe we get a little bit more end of the week volatility in. It seems like that, because already today, is a bit unusual in terms of normal weekend price action. I mean, Bitcoin, Ethereum are quiet, but even Bitcoin pushed a little higher. Especially Solana, and a few are breaking out. So yeah, slightly unusual weekend price action. Seems like something is brewing in the background there. And not much more to add. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also check out our Instagram and Twitter accounts, links in the description, and links for the channel membership are also in the description. Here you can get access to the weekly live stream. We've got one today, 5 p.m. UTC. You get access to short-term market updates as a gold member, and as silver and gold members, you get access to a lot of educational content, plus our Discord and Telegram channels. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.